This video will show you how to access data from Google Spreadsheets for your mobile app in ViziApps Studio. First, log into your ViziApps Studio account. Data is managed per page in ViziApps Studio. So, when you're on the page where you want to access data, click Manage Data. This will bring up the Data Property box for this page. In this first drop-down, you'll choose the data source. If you don't have any set up, you'll need to set them up first. A quick note here, you can have multiple data sources in one app. Simply add as many as you need. Click on Create New Data Source. This brings up a drop-down menu that allows you to select the new data source type. As you can see, you can choose from Google Spreadsheets, QuickBase, SQL Database, Oracle Mobile Cloud, M2X, and ThingWorks. For this video, we'll focus on Google Spreadsheets integration. Choosing Google Spreadsheets will bring up this dialog box, where you'll give this data source a unique ID. Here, you'll find instructions on how to obtain the required information from Google Developer Console. To get to the Developer Console, first log into your Google account on your browser on a separate browser tab. Then use the link developer.chrome.com/devtools. Follow the instructions on the ViziApps dialog box. Paste the appropriate URL for your spreadsheet in Step 10 in this box, and upload the appropriate JSON file from Step 9. Then click Get and Save Schema. Here, select the data source you want to use for this page, and select a page or field to trigger operations on the selected data source. When you do that, you'll see a storyboard view of your page with the option of showing all pages, as well as the Spreadsheet Command section. This is the heart of Google Spreadsheets integration for your app. Here, you can add a command by simply clicking on Add Command. Choose the action and choose the worksheet you'd like to access. From there, you can add as many field mappings or data bindings as you need. A data binding maps the data from a column in a worksheet of your spreadsheet directly to your ViziApps app field. Click the Add a Field button. Select a field in the worksheet, and then drag an app field from the storyboard and drop it into the desired device field. If you'd like, you can add filters to your data as well by clicking here. I'm going to add a filter which selects data in this field where the expense is less than $10,000. If you'd like to add an action, click on the Add Action in App button. This will allow you to send the user to another page, or you can enter your own JavaScript to trigger different actions. Using JavaScript is covered in another video. Click on the Add Condition button to add a command with if, then, and else conditions to your data query. For example, I'll add a condition that says, if the amount is equal to the amount label, then update the reports worksheet. Else, send the user to page 2. If you'd like to remove any of the mappings or actions, click the red X where appropriate. If you'd like to start the mapping over, click on this red X. If you're finished creating your Google Spreadsheets mappings, click Save to save them, and then click Close. Experiment with our expense report template app to see how it all works, or work on your own Google Spreadsheet. You can also view the Google Spreadsheets help for more detailed information by clicking on the main help button on top of the design page and searching for Google Spreadsheets. You've now seen all you need to get started with integrating Google Spreadsheets data into your own app. Find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.